Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Poco C3 and let me show you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera and actually let me show you the evidence that I will reset all preferences. First of all, because I am opening the camera app for the very first time, and this app asks me for some permissions. So let me tap on allow, and as you can see here we've got another permission, so let's allow it. Let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another evidence that the reset options will work. So let me show you the grid lines. Simply tap here, and here we've got the grid lines option. Now it is on because it is highlighted, and as you can see, after getting back to the camera, you can see the helper lines, the grid lines activated and applied. So now actually I can show you how to reset camera settings. So let's follow all my steps. First of all, let's tap on this 3 bars icon, and now let's tap on the settings. As you can see here, we have to scroll down to actually very bottom, and here we've got restore default settings, so let's tap on it. Let's tap on OK if you are ready, and as you can see, these camera settings flashed a little, so now we can go back to the camera. And I hope that you remember the very first permission which I gave to this camera app, and here we've got the same thing, so it means that we successfully reset all settings. What's more, you cannot see the grid lines, so it means that we successfully removed all the customization and we reset the camera settings to their defaults. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your Xiaomi Poco C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.